in an ocean view cabin, room number 1239, and I'm going to take you for a tour. All right, so this is the main room. This is what you see when you first walk in the door. So I'll show you. We have two individual beds here. They can go together or be separated. We have them separated right now. And then because there is 3 of us in the cabin, you also get a couch that turns into a bed, okay? And then if you do have a 4th person stay with you, we have a room that has the capabilities of having a drop down bed. So it's kind of like a bunk bed style bed, which is kind of cool. And the Carnival beds are all very comfortable, I have found. I really enjoy them. And usually each night before you go to bed, you will come to your stateroom and there will be a new towel animal there waiting for you. So we've been here a few nights now and we have a collection of towel animals, which is really kind of cute. I love that part. And so we've been keeping them and we'll have even more by the end of our trip. Okay, and now I'm going to show you a little bit more of the room. You have some cabinet space there. You have a TV up here. There is a safe in here for your valuables, so that's good. And then you also have a fridge down there. Have a nice big mirror. And it also does come with a hair dryer. But just know the hairdryer is attached to the cupboard, so it's a little difficult to use. And then you have some more drawers. And then we'll show you the closet space. You have quite a bit of closet space. You have a cupboard here that with some shelving and a nice big mirror again. Space to hang clothing in it. Nice big area there. And then another place to hang your clothes and then also your life jackets. All the safety information is on the back of the door. And then I'm going to show you the bathroom, which on a cruise ship, they are not huge, but I'll give you a little tour. That is the shower, and you know, it's itty bitty, but it does the job. And you got the toilet that can suck you right in when you push that button, so you just gotta make sure that you're not still sitting on it. You get a few shelves to put your stuff and and then you have the sink. So yeah, it's not huge, but that's the cruising lifestyle for you. A quick note on the power supply. There was only one outlet for charging your devices in this cabin. We were not aware of this, so our room steward helped us out, thankfully, with a power bar, but definitely keep that in mind for your travels. But also note that power bars cannot have surge protection on them, as that is not allowed on cruise ships. And now I'm going to show you our window and view. We got an ocean view room, and this is the window. It's actually quite a good size. You get to see quite a bit. You're really close to the water here, and today we are in Santorini, Greece. So this is our beautiful view from our window. Can't get much better than that. The cruise ship itself is older and it's definitely showing its age, but we chose this trip for the itinerary and not the cruise ship, so it didn't really affect us much. As for the cabin, I was quite surprised. I wasn't sure how I'd feel about an ocean view room, but the window was a pretty good size, and it was kind of neat being so close to the water. And as I had mentioned earlier, I love the Carnival beds, and I also thought that the room fit the 3 of us comfortably. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my future experiences, tours, and reviews.